Welcome to SurePass, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing craft, fraud, or disguise as one of the aggravating circumstances. Craft, fraud, or disguise. It is an aggravating circumstance where the offender employed craft, fraud, or disguise in committing the crime. Dito ang salarin ay gumamit ng tukso, panlilinlang o pagbabalat kayo upang maisagawa ang kanyang krimen. Kailan ito i-consider ng court as aggravating circumstance? To be appreciated, these circumstances must have facilitated or be taken advantage of by the offender in the commission of a crime. Hindi sapat na basta may craft, fraud, or disguise. Dapat nakatulong talaga ang mga ito sa pagsasagawa ng krimen o ginamit ng akusado para magkaroon siya ng advantage sa biktima. Let us discuss the first one, craft. Crafts involves trickery and cunning on the part of the offender. Ibig sabihin, ang gumawa ng krimen ay gumamit ng panlilinlang o mapanlinlang na paraan, hindi sa pamamagitan ng dahas o pwersa, kundi sa madayang taktika para mapaniwala ang biktima. For example, in People vs. San Pedro, where the accused pretended to hire the driver in order to get his vehicle, it was held that there was craft directed to the theft of the vehicle, separate from the means subsequently used to treacherously kill the defenseless driver. Now let us discuss the second one, fraud. There is fraud when insidious words or machinations were used to induce the victim to act in a manner to which would enable the offender to carry out his design. Dinaya o niloko ng gumawa ng krimen ang biktima gamit ang matatamis pero mapanlinlang na salita, pangako o pakana para mapasunod ito at magawa ng salarin ang krimen. Halimbawa, sa pag-aakalang bibili ng isang bote ng alak, hinikayat ng salarin ang biktima na bumaba sa ibabang palapag ng kanyang bahay kung saan nakalagay ang mga alak. Nang buksan ang biktima ang pinto, pumasok ang salarin at doon sinimulan ang pag-atake na humantong sa pagkamatay ng biktima. Here, the Supreme Court appreciated the aggravating circumstance of fraud. Now let us go to the last one, disguise. Disguise simply means resorting to any device to conceal identity. Ang salarin ay nagbalat kayo o gumamit ng maskara, ibang kasuotan, peking anyo o anumang paraan para hindi siya makilala habang ginagawa ang krimen. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.